geobyte.
Observe the first question. Two solid cubes. Two solid cubes of each side 10 centimeter. Each side is 10 centimeter. Each are joined end to end. Okay, end to end. What is the volume of the resulting cuboid? What is the volume of the resulting cuboid? Again, observe. This is one cube. This is one cube. These two cubes side end to end, joined end to end. So for our convenience, I write like this. This is one cube, 10. Length, breadth, height, everything same because cube having all sides equal. Okay, this is cube 1. Another cube joined like this. See another 10. So what is the length it become now? What is the length it become? 10 plus 10, so total 20. But breadth, height, no change. So breadth same 10, height also same 10. Volume of the solid figure. What is the volume? LBH. Length now 20, breadth 10, height 10. So answer 2000. What is the volume? 2000. What is the measurement? So centimeter they mentioned here. 10 centimeter they mentioned. So length, breadth, height, centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. Then what is the answer? Centimeter cube. That's why cube measurement, okay, cube or cuboid or cylinder, okay, volume measurement to cubic centimeter, cubic meters, cubic means 3 times you are multiplied, that we are getting the cube point. So now what is your answer? 2000 centimeter cube. Got it? Next. Here observe. How many rectangular slabs of 10 centimeter and into meaning and into 8 centimeter are required to cover the floor of hall? This is hall measurement. This is slab measurement. Just now we discussed how many tiles, how many plane figure means number of plane figure or number of tile or number of slabs. So area of the hall 12 into 12 meter, 12 meter into 10 meter upon slab 10 centimeter into 8 centimeter. Okay. Here observe numerator is meter, denominator is centimeters. So impossible. That's why meter change into the centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeter. You remember that. So 12 into 100, 10 into 100 upon 10 into 8. Okay. Na? So 0, 0 cancel. 4 2's cancel. 4 3's. 2 5's cancel. So what is the answer now? 3 into 100 into 10 into 5. Simplify. 3 3 zeros into 5. 5 into 3 15. 3 zeros. Okay, final answer 1530. Okay, this type of slabs. 1530. Got it? Once again, 12 meter and to 10 meter. So 12 into 100 centimeter, 10 into 100 centimeter. Denominator 10 into 8. So 0, 0 cancel. Okay, 4 2's cancel, 4 3's cancel, 2 5's cancel. So 15 into 1000, simply 15,000. Got it? Next. Same question, but here mentioned in meters. A hall measure 24 meter, 20 meters. So 24, 20, 0 0.4, 0 0.3. Okay. Here 0 0.4, if you are confused, here after decimal one number. So you multiplication with 10, divided with 10. That divided with 10 become a numerator. So 24 into 20, 4 into 3. Multiplication by divided by 10. Here also divided by 10. That 10 it becomes a numerator. 10 into 10. 4 3 is 12. 12 2s are. So what is the answer? 2 2s 4. 3 zeros. So 4,000. 4,000. The number of tile of size 0.4 meter, 0.3 required to pave the floor 4,000 pieces. Okay. For confirmation, 0.4 into 10 upon 10. So what is the answer? 4 by 10. This 10 come outside means this is the 10. Okay, now next, the area of the square whose perimeter is 48. 3 times question, 3 times given. Whose perimeter is 48. This is the square. So perimeter, what is the perimeter? 4 into a is equal to 48. So a, 4 12's cancel directly. So a is equal to 12. What is the area logic? Side square, a square. So 12 square. So answer 144. 144 meter square, because length is given in terms of meters. Measurement also important, because sometimes options given like that. Next, what is the volume of the box whose each edge measure 3 meters? So length also 3, breadth also 3, height also 3 they mentioned. What is the volume of the box? Volume LBH. So 3 into 3 into 3. So 27. What is the volume? 27 meter cube. Next, find the length of AC. Find the length of AC in given figure of rectangle ABCD. In a rectangle, corners, each angle, what is the each angle? 90 degrees. Already know. You can apply. AB is 6, so this is also 6. Okay, you can apply. From the diagram, ACD is a right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, what is the logic? Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. Here what is the side? 6. So 6 square. Another side you don't know. So x. Hypotenuse. What is the diagonal here? 10 square. X square is equal to 100 minus this 6 square right side. That is 36. What is the answer? 64. x square 64, x is equal to root 64, that is 8 answer. What is the answer? 8. Got it, children? Next. If each side of square park is 100, the perimeter of the park. What is the diagram here? Square. Square perimeter 4a. So 4 into a side means 100. So answer 400 meters. Next. The side of square will be doubled. The side of square will be doubled. Its perimeter will be. First I will explain proof, then you remember directly in examination. Area. So what is the perimeter? 4a. Okay. The side is doubled, so 2a. So 4 into 2a. So answer 8a. So 4a, 8a. How many times more? 2 times. So side increased double. Here perimeter also double. Obviously. Okay. So the side of square will be double. Then its perimeter will 2 times. This is the logic. Next. The length and breadth of cuboid are 24 and 20. Find its height. If the volume of the cuboid is, so volume LBH. What is the volume given? 7680. Length 24. Breadth 20. Height we don't know. You want height 7680 upon 24 into 20. 0, 0 cancel. 24 3s 72. 72 means what is the remaining here? 4, 8. So 2s. Output 32 by 2. So answer 16. So what is the height? 16. Okay, children. Next. This is last year examination 2019. In the figure given below, what is the area of the carpet? This complete carpet area. You want complete carpet area. Here observe the dot lines. Left side this is 2 meter. So this is also 2. This is 3. So 2, 2, 3, 3. Rectangle. What is the rectangle area? Above box rectangle area LB. That is 2 into 3, 6. Now bottom. Lengthy box. In this lengthy box, observe. In the lengthy box, okay, in the lengthy box, so length is a 5 meter. Here breadth 1 meter. What is the area now? 5 into 1. So 5. So for top box area plus bottom box area. So 5 plus 6, that is 11. 11. Here, what is the question here? Area. Area means length into breadth, length into breadth. Meter. So meter square. So 11 wrong. 11 meter square is the right answer. Okay, children. This type of questions we have in that examination. Okay, thank you. All the best. In case do you have any doubts, immediately raise. Our GeoByte team will respond to your doubt. Thank you. GeoByte.